So here we have a Range Road EcoPro Series firewood processor with an output conveyor that we are going to show you how to set up for use. First, unpin the manual end feed arm and lower it into position. Move to the rear of the machine and take out the pins that secure the conveyor to the clean-out housing and place them in the designated storage holes. Next, remove the rod that secures the leg of the output conveyor, allowing it to swing freely from the bottom of the conveyor. Then crank the winch to lower the conveyor. Once the conveyor is resting on the support leg, simply fold open the top of the conveyor. After you have unfolded it, be sure to fasten the latch located on the bottom of the conveyor. And reposition the belt keeper rod to allow for unobstructed operation. Now simply tighten the conveyor belt just tight enough to avoid hitting the support leg. Now you're set up and ready to start processing some firewood. For breakdown, start with loosening the conveyor belt tension. Next, unlatch the upper section of the conveyor. Ensure that you reposition the belt keeper rod into the storage position. Then fold the conveyor top section back onto itself. Now crank the winch to raise the conveyor until the holes on the sides of the conveyor are aligned with those in the clean-out housing. Remove the rod from the conveyor support leg. Ensure the holes are aligned with the brackets on the bottom of the conveyor. Then reinsert the rod. Next, insert the pins to secure the conveyor to the clean-out housing. Be sure to adjust the splitting wedge into the highest position for travel. Move to the front of the machine and fold the manual end feed arm up. Lock into place with the keeper pin. Now you're ready to move the firewood processor into storage or to your next job location.
To stay updated with more informative videos about Range Road equipment, don't forget to subscribe. To find your nearest dealer in the USA, visit range-road.com. In Canada, visit range-road.ca.